More ratios. Ratios are fun and easy. They're used to compare things, right? And there's two ways to express them. You can express a ratio as a 3:4, or you can express them as a fraction, 3 to 4. Right? That's the way I prefer to do it. I prefer to do it as a fraction format because it works out in an equation a lot easier. Let's give an example. Say I'm going to compare the number of bocce wins by Mr. Tricky to the number of bocce wins to Mr. Hool. So I'm going to compare Tricky to Hool. Well, Tricky's going to has a much better average, so he has an average of 7 wins to Mr. Hool's 2. All right, well, this is as realistic as we can get it here. Right, it's probably more like 7-1, but we'll give Mr. Hool the benefit of the doubt. If the ratio is 7 to 2, and I want to, we can use it as a prediction. We want to see how many times Mr. Tricky's going to win if Mr. Hool plays 7 games. Alright, so Mr. Hool is going to play 7 games. We want to know how many games Mr. Tricky is expected to win using the ratio 7 to 2. There's a familiar equational setup, right? What I want to do in my equation, I want to solve for x, get x all by itself. In order to do that, I got to get rid of a divided by 7. Get rid of a divided by 7 by multiplying by 7. Multiplying 7 is the opposite of a divided by 7. They cancel each other out. But whatever I do to one side of the equation, I must do to the other to keep things balanced, right? Think of a teeter-totter. I just added a multiplying, got to add it. Whatever I do to one side, got to do the other. So these two cancel each other out, and I'm left with 7 times 7 is 49 divided by 2 equals x. Half of 40 is 20. Half of 9 is 4.5. So 49 would be 24.5. So, using the ratio 7 to 2, if Mr. Hool plays 7 games, you would expect Mr. Tricky to win 24.5. Like I said, I try to keep my math lessons as real and true to life as possible. Let's do one more. Let's say Mr. Tricky's going to go out in the town tonight, and he's going to go out with his buddy Ed Schrader, and we know that Mr. Tricky has a chance of getting some smooches from girls, and when he compares that Tricky to Schrader, Mr. Tricky's going to get 5 smooches for every 1 smooch that Mr. Schrader gets. Okay, if by chance Mr. Tricky goes out to a big party and there's lots of women there, and Mr. Tricky ends up smooching with 25 women, I want to know how many Mr. Schrader will be expected to smooch with. Well, here's my x's down below. In order to set up my equation, it's easier if I have my x up top, so it's a simple fact of just flipping both sides. Whatever I do to one side, I must do the other. So if I flip this fraction, I got to flip this one. Now we're familiar. My goal is to get x by itself. Get rid of a divided by 25 by multiplying by 25. Multiply by 25. Whatever I do to one side, got to do the other. Cancel, cancel. 25 over 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5 equals x. So if Mr. Tricky smooches with 5 ladies that night, you can expect Mr. Schrader to smooch with 5. There you go. Ratios. Quick and easy.